Ever wonder why some fences fall apart in just a few years, while others last for decades? It's not just the weather or the wood. It's what you don't see that makes all the difference. The number one culprit? Bad installation. If posts aren't set deep enough or concrete isn't used properly, your fence is doomed from the start. Wobbly posts lead to sagging panels, and that's the beginning of the end. Next up, water damage. If your wood isn't pressure treated or sealed, rain and moisture will rot it from the inside out. Install gravel at the base and use quality sealants yearly to stop decay before it starts. Strong winds are brutal, especially on fences with wide panels and no gaps. To survive the next storm, use staggered boards or vinyl panels with wind flow gaps. And make sure your posts are rated for high wind zones. Termites and carpenter ants love untreated wood. Once they're in, the structural damage is fast and silent. Use treated lumber and inspect yearly for burrows or sawdust trails. Even a perfect fence needs love. No maintenance means no longevity. Check for loose nails, repaint or reseal, and trim plants growing too close. A little care goes a long way. So why do fences fail early? Bad install, rot, wind, bugs, no maintenance. Avoid these, and your fence could outlast your roof. Want a fence that actually lasts? Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call us at 781-767-3596 today. Let's build it right, once and for all.